As a pioneer of the Chinese national strategy of Go Global and a practitioner of the Belt and Road Initiative, Hexing has set up many subsidiaries abroad and realized local production, management, and operation. Hexing is promoting the intelligent manufacturing and Chinese services to the world. In the era of smart power and green energy, Hexing has been striving to create more value for customers and become a respectable enterprise in international power industry.
Hello everyone, thanks for your joining today's meeting. I'm very honored to introduce our company and product solutions to you here. Today's main theme is how smart metering benefits water utilities. This presentation is divided to three parts. First part, I will introduce our companies. Second part, I will introduce or products about water metering and also include the software management system and AMI solutions. Last part, I will give you some thoughts to introduce what our smart metering advantages are. Let me start the first part. Zlink Technology Co, a subsidiary of Hexing Electrical Co, is committed to serving global utilities with end-to-end solution and service, covering water treatment, intelligent water management, smart metering, and revenue collection. Zlink developed water meter AMI solutions, which integrates diversifying IoT technologies like NB-IoT and WSAN for lower power, wider coverage, and more intelligent water management. Zlink, with manufacturing based in Ningbo, also has established two research and development centers in Hangzhou and Ningbo, driven by innovation of technology and product. Zlink committed to serving global utilities with water ecological environments overall solutions. We have two main businesses. Firstly, Zlink provides water metering charging solutions and secondary water supply for water utilities, mainly used in residential buildings, commercial buildings, and factory areas. Secondly, Zlink provides water treatment and photovoltaic water cells like solar pipe and solar dispenser. The main application scenarios are in outdoor areas. The second part, I will introduce our water metering products. Zlink Ultrasonic Smart Water Meter is a state-of-the-art design of painted, fully electronic with no moving parts inside the ultrasonic water meter, and no flow-blocking elements, which are not affected by impurities in the water and have a long service life. It could ensure high accuracy with R250 and 500 options for our customers, and requires no extra maintenance work during official running. With integrated valve, it could realize prepaid working model aims to improve the bill collection for water authority, and in the meantime, with LoRa, NB-IoT, WSAN communication technology, it could realize remote meter data collection, monitoring, and VAVA control when necessary. We totally have 3 types ultrasonic water meters: the residential ultrasonic smart water meters and the district ultrasonic water meters. Also include bulk ultrasonic water meters. The diameter from DN15 to DN600. Like the residence ultrasonic smart water meters, we provide the different materials options for our customer, like brass, plastic, and stainless steel. Also has VAVA options for customers. We have developed a different communication technology like MBUS, IF, LoRaWAN, NB-IoT. So you can base it on your requirements to choose different communication technologies equipped with or ultrasonic smart water meters. The ultrasonic water meter is a new type of water meter that can further calculate the water flow by detecting the time difference caused by the speed change when the ultrasonic sound beam propagates upstream and downstream in the water, and analyze the process, the water flow rate. You can see here, this picture shows the working principle of the ultrasonic water meters. This is all residential ultrasonic water meters, and we list the datasheet about all residential ultrasonic water meters. The ultrasonic water meter has high accuracy, R20, 250 and 500 options for you, which means it can increase utility revenue through measuring smaller flows like drip metering. Another parameter is the low pressure loss. Is about 16 kPa, which means it can save much energy for utility. Also, the flow profiles and sensitivity classes is U0, D0, which means no need extra straight pipe before and backward of the meter to save installation and save the money. Also has a feature is a flexible installation direction like a horizontal, vertical, inclined. We designed the battery life up to 10 years. Also have the IP68 protection class. Another one I want to introduce is ultrasonic bulk water meters. Also has the high accuracy. We provide the 400 and 500 options for customers. Also has a low pressure loss, that is 16. And we the bulk water meter supports the 13 temperature degree and 15 temperature degree. The battery, the power supply, we provide 2 options for you. Like the battery also can connect the AC, alternating currents. Also has a function is pressure detection. We build in pressure sensors can detect the pipe network pressure change. And we provide the 2 models of our ultrasonic water meters. First one is the online model, like AMS solutions that support remote transfers. The water meter can upload the meter data like the daily consumption and the real time and some alarm to our vending system automatically. We also design another function like the smart water meter solution provides flexible water purchase way, make it much more convenient and easier. Like at vending points through Zlink vending system by cash. Also like at appointed agents through POS machine by cash, and customer self-service through Android app by e-payment like PayPal, mobile money, and e-payment platform. Another model is offline models. This we can use the vending system to generate 20 digits token for our customers. When they get this token, they can keep it, go back their home and use a CIU customer interface unit to recharge water into the water meter by themselves. This is our AMS solution structures. Like this picture show you. The AMS solution has two parts. First part is smart water meters, and the second part is relay. We also can call it data collector. Third part is AP access point. So between the smart water meter and relay communicating each other by the LoRa, and between the relay and AP is communicated by WSN. After that, the AP communicates with our software system by 4G. For the bulk water meters, it can upload the meter data to our software system by 4G directly. This picture shows you our hybrid RF network application frame. Let you understand the solution very well. The hybrid RF network solution has several advantages I will introduce for you later. The first one is hybrid RF network supports various scenarios deployment. The hybrid RF network adopts the LoRa solution, which has a low power consumption and anti-interference, and has a long transmission distance, which can meet various installation scenarios of smart water meters. The second advantage is high reliability and wide coverage. A single Wi-Fi gateway can support up to 2,500 pieces water meters, and the radius of 1.5 kilometers. The communication coverage. The third advantage is ultrasonic water meter low power consumptions, which can ensure the long battery life up to 10 years. The last advantage is rapid deployment, remote operation, and maintenance. Wi-Fi technology. I want to explain what is Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi wireless smart ubiquitous network. It's a technology based on the IEEE 802.15 and 0.4G standard. It's backed by the Weisan Alliance's global industry alliance that protects the Weisan specification. Weisan provider member include the Langer, Hexing, and Itron. These are all Weisan AP devices access the points. It supports the IP65 waterproof and dust-proof graded. The product has been certified by Weisan Alliance with a flexible connectivity. One AP can manage the control up to 2,500 water meters. The product's lifetime is up to 15 years. Another communication device is a smart relay. Also supports IP65 waterproof and dust-proof graded. One relay can manage and control around 1,000 water meters. This is a cellular network application scenarios. The last part, I will give you some points what our smart water meters advantages are. Maybe there are several points I think water utilities meaning focus on to solve it. Like meter reading is quite difficult, as the labor cost is high and also easy to cause manual meter reading errors. Installation environment is harsh, and most meters are installed in an underground well, which is dark and humid. So why you choose Zlink AMR solutions? So we provide many benefits for utilities and users. For utilities parts, we can help them to save a lot of labor and time cost for meter readings, avoid manual meter reading errors, and reduce disputes with user through the remote communication functions. Real-time monitoring of water consumption activity alarm when a borrowed water consumption occurs, and the timely detection of whether there is a pipe network broken. For users who are in arrears of water bills, utility can close their water valves remotely. They have to pay to get the water connection again. Those can improve utilities cash flow. For the user part, there is no need for the utility to visit the user for meter reading, which is safe and undisputed for users. User can learn about water usage online at any time and deal with any abnormalities in time to avoid waste. We also have another discussion topic is the benefits of prepaid solutions. First one is the faster bill collections because the water meter can upload automatically meter data to the software system. So the staff just stay in their office can know what happened in your customer home. And second is improve cash flow through prepaid model. And third part is pay as you go because we provide different methods. The customer can purchase the water in the vending points office and some supermarkets and purchase water through the SMS. Also can purchased water on website. Last one is the non-historical debit. The second discussion topic is the benefits of AMI and the DMI system. It supports online monitoring, the meter data, the situation of the water meters, and reduce the non-revenue water for water utilities. The third one is the daily report, because the water meter can upload the meter data to the software system daily through the AMI solution. The last one is the real-time alarm. Maybe some leakage happen, and this meter can send the alarm to the software system to inform the staff to go to the customer's home to maintain the water meters. Okay, this is today's presentation to introduce our company and water meters and AMI solutions. Thanks for your listening.
Hello everyone, thanks for you guys watching this video. Today I will show you the Zlink AMI system for the water meter. Here is the water meter. Here is the AMI system for the water meter. You can see in the left side is the menu area. In the right side is the display area. We can check the first one, asset. This one is for manage the archive of the water meter and the archive of the communication devices like access point and relay. We can click it here. It will show more details. First is the water meters. So you can the utility can add the archive, the water meter archive in the system and save it. And also you can query. You can add it, delete, and check it. Also, you can download. All of the archive as XL format, as PDF or CSV. You can according to what you need to download it. Then is the network devices. Also, you can add here. You can input the basic information and save it. And also, you can query it. Also, you can download all of the archive as the 3 format that you want. Then you'll see network management. This one is for managing the network. So we can go to the dashboard. You can see here we will show you the information about the network devices. Here is the first one, gateway. Actually is the access point. This one is DC, data collector. This one is more water meter. And here is the total devices. Right now in the system has 27 devices. And also here you can check the RSSI. RSSI is a received signal strength indicator. This one is like your cell phone. This one is the bad signal strength. This one is medium. This one means good. The here means no signal. And and accounted is the percentage of the devices had a bad signal. The percentage of the devices have the medium signal, and all of it is the same. Then here is the link quantity indicator. So sometimes maybe the signal is good, but the link load, the quality is not so good. So here is the indicator. You can check. Now here is the map. Our AP has the GIS, so it can get the longitudes and latitudes automatically. Then we'll show into the map. So when the access point has any problem, you can find it easily in the map. Okay, and when you click here, it will go to the page of the network devices and show you the details. For example, here is the gateway. In here, you can check the online rates and the LQI, RSSI, also totally offline time, latest communication time, registration time. Also, you can export those information as Excel or CSV. And also, you can click here to check if the access point really have the communication. And click here. This is for the backhaul network, GPRS. Right now we see it's good. And this one is for the Wi-Fi communication network. Right now we can see also is good. And if you want to check the data collector, you can select the data type as data collector DC. Then query it. It will show all of the DC devices. Okay. Then we can see the monitor. In this network menu, we can read the top logic of the network. So we can select the access point and select the data collector and code the information. So right now we can see here is the access point. This yellow one is the data collector. This green one is the voltmeter. Here we can here you can select the level. Level 0 is the AP. Level 1 it will show level 0 and level 1. Level 1 is the data collector, or you select level 2, you can see the voltmeter, data collector, and AP. And click here, you can get the details information of the AP. And click this one, you can get the node information. This one is data collector. This one is the voltmeter. So this top network top logic can help you analyze where the voltmeter connect to which this voltmeter connect to which DC, and this DC connect to which AP. When it has problem, so you can find the corresponding voltmeter and DC easily. And also you can export it and then change the structure like that. Okay, then we will check the devices. Oh, the devices is all of the devices in the network. So you can see we can see gateway, meter, DC, relay, wattmeter, and check the information, the online rate, the signal strength, total offline time, next time communication, latest communication time, and the registration time when the devices add in the system, and also remote check the link status. Then we can go to the maintenance. This maintenance is for the network devices and the wattmeter maintenance. You can see lots of details information. The device number, device type, node belongs to which node, the firmware version, the modem version, the IP of the devices, the longitudes, latitudes, and the device status is online, offline, like that. So also all of the devices can support firmware updates, remote firmware updates. Also, you can send update task when upgrade the collector and the AP wattmeter, something like that. This one is for you check the tuner, and here is a remote control the remote configure the AP. So when you click here, you can remote connect the AP and do the configuration. Okay, this part is for the network management. Then we can check operational comments. We have what on-demand reading, what historical data reading, what clock synchronization, what meter switch valve, and what parameter setting. Here, let's check the what demand reading first. Here, this menu is for get the real-time data from the wattmeter. For example, I will select that item, current data. You can see we have current cumulative flow, daily positive cumulative flow, and you can select the meter that you want to read, and click real-time read. Then we can check the operational comment. This one is for you operate the wattmeter remotely and get the meter reading from the wattmeter remotely. The first one is wattmeter on-demand reading. For this menu, you can get the meter data remotely. You can select the current data you want to check, and select the meter that you want to check, and click real-time read. Then the system will automatically go to the wattmeter to get the current data information. Okay, here is the wattmeter historical data reading. This one is different from the first one, on-demand reading. On-demand reading is to get the real-time reading. The second one is get the historical data reading. This kind of data is already saved in the meter storage, so you can read the historical road profile. So then you will get the hourly flows and data. And it's like on-demand reading. You need to check the profile, the meter data, and the watt meter that you want, and click the read. Then the system will remotely get the historical load profile from the meter and to the system. Also, you can get the daily flows and data remotely, and the monthly flows and data remotely. So you can check which day's data you want to get, and which meter model, and try to remote get it. So you don't need to send people to the field to get this kind of information. This can help utilities save a lot of money for labor. Then here is a watt clock synchronization. All of the meter is according to the clock to save the metering data. So if the clock is not correct, so when there's a meter flows the data and save it in storage will be wrong. So here you can use the AMI system remotely synchronize the watt meter clock to make sure when the meter save the data to the storage, we do not have any problem. Then here is a water meter switch valve. This here can remote operate the valve of the meter. Our water meter has the ball valve, so you can remote open it and close it, and also check the real-time status of the valve is closed or open. This function can help utility a lot if somebody did not pay their bill. So utility do not need to send people to cut their water. You just sit in the office and click several buttons. Then the system will remotely send the operator valve command to the watt meter. Then watt meter will, according to the command, to execute the action, open or close. This one is the water parameter setting. Normally, those kind of settings is finished in the factory. But if the client want to change some of the parameter of the watt meter, we can support to remote set the parameter like the frozen data report interval. We can remote to send the configuration and set to the meter. Here is a task schedule. In this menu, you can create a auto reading task and send it to the meter. The meter will, according to the task you configure it, to report the frozen data to the system. So after you finish configuring this task, then the meter will, according to your task, to report the data. And then in the report, you can check the data that the meter sent to the system. The first one is raw data query. In this page, you can check the raw data. You see you can have the meter number, collection time, current cumulative flow, and the daily positive cumulative flow, daily reverse cumulative flow, maximum daily traffic, and the daily maximum flow time, and battery wattage. Okay, this one is according to what kind of task you set to the meter, and the meter will report to the system. Okay. And here is the daily data consumption statistic. You can select the watt meter type and category and watt meter number, customer number, or customer name, or customer address to fill out the information that you want. And here is the reading time. So then you click a query, then all of the information will show here, like the meter number, customer name, and the current accumulated flow. And also you can download it as Excel file, PDF file, CSV file, the one that you need. Then also you can check the monthly data consumption statistic. It's same like the daily data consumption statistic, but this is for the monthly. And also you can put the information to fill out the data that you want. Okay. And this is a report. And the monthly report you can export it for billing purpose. So you don't need send the stuff to the field, get the reading by manually. This one is spends a lot and low efficient, and also when people register the meter reading by manual, it's very easy to make a mistake. Okay. Then you can check the customer information. So you can add the customer information to the system. Here you can add the basic information of your customer and save it. And if here has a lot of customers, if add one by one, it will be very difficult. So you can download the templates, and the remote. You can download the template and the book, upload the customer information to the system. So here is admin to manage the account to log in the system. You can create an account, create a different rule. Here you can create a user account, different rule for your different stuff to control the authority. And also here is a IP white list. This is for the security. If you add this, that means only this IP can do those kind of option, like connect and disconnect the valve, because connect and disconnect the valve is a very sensitive operation. If you make it wrong by mistake, then client maybe did not have water, so they will make complaint to the water utility. So this can help to people to help people to it can prevent people to make the mistake. Here is the alarm. Can check the alarm history. You can check the alarm item, then query it. So you will see the alarm in the system. Which devices and what type of devices and what the level of the alarm, and the alarm item is online, low battery, offline, those sort of things. Okay, and also you can download the alarm as a Excel, Word, or PDF. Okay. This is the more and less basic function of our MI system. We are welcome to you give us some suggestion, and we are also willing to help you do the development. So any question and any idea, we are open to receive it. And thank you. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.